Today it's the official launch of a very exciting project, the Humber College Smart Microgrid Lab. Microgrids are a new emerging technology for how our electricity system can be designed, run, and operated. So many people in the industry, as well as new students, can benefit from a lab such as this, which can kind of simulate what the behavior of that system will look like.
Partnering with a global industry leader, Siemens Canada, in creating a one-of-a-kind facility through the launch of a sustainable microgrid and renewable energy lab further enhances our relationship with Siemens and allows our students to learn about and research the latest in sustainable microgrid renewable energy.
Having the Smart Lab at Humber College will really benefit the future students. They'll have more hands-on experience incorporating what they learn in classes, putting into the real world.
Climate change is the biggest challenge we all face as humanity, and energy transition is the key in the fight against climate change. Now, microgrids have the ability to fast-track and facilitate energy transition. So providing the students with the knowledge of microgrids will allow them to drive energy transition, drive sustainable future in their homes, in their communities, and the industries they are going to work in. I really like when industry and the education institutions come together, because then we can skill the workforce of the future to ensure a sustainable future for all of us and the planet.